Hello, Chef here, working with fresh chicken today. These are boneless, skinless chicken breasts, really big ones, nice, fat, juicy. I like it. Before I get into the chicken, I want to do a product review. So we got some really cool stuff here from the sponsor. This is one of them. This is handmade in Italy. Open this box, really cool little box here. Wow, a stainless steel meat pounder. This baby has about a 5-inch handle, solid hardwood, weighs about 2 pounds, solid stainless steel disc. Really cool. I like it. Perfect for beating your meat. Watch the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Hello, Chef. Today I got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Here we go. We're going to clean these babies up. I'm using the Kasumi titanium knife because it's non-stick, it's quick, it's easy. I like it. Move the silver skin and any fat from the chicken breasts. Clean them up as nice as I can. And I'm going to show you the next step is going to be a quick marinade. Okay, moving along here now. All the chicken's been cleaned. I got this plastic bag. I believe in recycling. This bag has been recycled. Here we go. We're going to put 2 pieces of chicken in the bag right here. And we're going to use our stainless steel meat pounder. I want to show you just how easy it is. I'm using almost no effort. Minimal effort at best. That's it. I'm done. So these chickens now are beautiful. Yeah. And I put them in a pan. Just like that. Okay. I line them up. You can do the same thing. Get the pounder and get a butcher block. You gotta have the butcher block. I'll be back. Yeah, there we go. So now, all that chicken is ready to go. You know the next step, right? Of course, the next step's to season this chicken. First thing, sea salt. You gotta have sea salt. Okay. Next thing, pepper. You gotta have some pepper. Smoked paprika. Oh, yeah. That's gonna be good. Okay, so if you watched the other videos and you already know that this rock maple butcher block here kills germs. Awesome. A quick soapy water wipe here, dry towel, good to go to the next step. Alright, I'm making a quick marinade. Follow along here. Extra virgin olive oil, just a touch. Cheap beer, just a touch. Yeah, the cheap stuff. Balsamic vinegar reduction. Oh, yeah, not too much. That stuff's really good and really, really expensive. Okay, next thing I got here. Roasted red pepper puree. A little bit of basil, garlic, smoked fine sea salt. Oh, smells so good. About a teaspoon of that. Rosemary, cut rosemary, more flavors released. I like it. If you need any of these spices, hit the sponsor. All right, I'm going to take and give this a quick mix. Just like this. Oh yeah. Next step. Marinade goes over the chicken breasts. Yeah. Now what you want to do, you want to massage it in there. Next step, cover this, marinade, watch the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, keep cooking, and have a beautiful day.